for, if you can maybe keep it under a minute, like what do you believe is the reason why we have so much stigma attached to mental illness, mental health, or just talking about it whatsoever? So if I could start with Dr. Olele, that would be awesome.
Yeah, especially in, at least in the African community, at least, and but all the communities are pretty much the same. That weakness, nobody wants to seem weak, and it also brings shame to the family, and that's a big thing. And I think that's more in the African community, but I also know in Asian communities and other communities that shame is tremendous. Knowing that you have a relative that is hearing voices or is talking about being depressed, they're like, why you're being depressed for? You're in America, you came, you left home, you're here, what you're talking about. And that's very it's very taboo to talk about that. But in reality, the brain is the most powerful organ, and the brain has different disorders. And so that's where we should try to make sure we have enough education to treat it and recognize signs and symptoms. So I know we're going to talk more about that, but I just wanted to talk about the shame and weakness.